Good afternoon from the UPMC Lemieux Sports Complex in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is the Northeast Pack Showcase. Today we've got U18 action, the number 3 ranked team in the country, Long Island Gulls, taking on Mount St. Charles, the number 18 team in the country. Puck back up through center, picked up there by Sirota. Sirota takes a shot on the game's first save. We'll try and pick that up here. Invariably, this happens at the beginning, and there's a shot just on the doorstep as Petruso. And Chabrier brings it into the zone. He's got DeFeo, but he winds up the big defenseman. Dylan Chabrier takes that shot out of Bayville, New York, digging it out. Dabrowski, number 14. Shot scores from the far side. And the Gulls take the early lead, 1-0. As that shot, Mikulski comes up big and makes it 1-0. Looks for a lane back on the far side. He finds his man and bringing the puck right in. Shot and another save as we begin the game here. Sirota with a shot and another save as one more time, Tanner Terranova out of Reese Walkaway, New York, takes the face off. The puck is jammed up to the point, and a quick shot hit a body in front, continuing to look for it. Melnick pushes his man aside, and the loose puck in front, another save is Hubert. Coming back out with the puck is Francis. Francis guides it in. Francis makes a move, and a shot, and Chapkus sees it at the distance. The hands are moving, but the puck is stripped off his stick, and Jackson Vates, number 73, with the puck over the Pens logo. His shot is deflected. Isaacs with a shot. Rose up high on Chapkus, and Chapkus hangs on for the whistle. And Liska steals the puck, hands it off to DeFeo. DeFeo, top of the circle, back down. Liska with it, back behind the cage, and DeFeo. What a shot. Good block by Vogel. Puck is fished out. Melnick's got it again. He winds up again, and Vogel's got 2 blocks in this. Quickly bring the puck up. Here's the shot. McCaffrey goes up and over, hits the heart. And back to the live action over on the far side, all alone. Shot goal. We are tied. Nate Tardy scores. Number 18. Tardy makes it 1-1 as Tardy picked up that puck in the slot. And he was all alone with Chapkus in front of him. Tardy makes it 1-1 here. We've got a 2-on-1 developing. As coming out, Karlstedt is with his man. Here's the pass, and what a save as Mikulski went down low, and he blocked that pass. It was a great play by Mikulski to disrupt that 2-on-1. And Mikulski with a punishing hit. Right in tight. Again, looking to try and jam it in. The pass up through the slot as Hagerman for Mount tried to make something work, and there's a shot right on goal, held on by Hubert. Terranova reads the play, back over to the near side. Backhand feeds. Sirota goes upended as Isaacs got underneath him. And Isaacs did it again as he took out Gugino. Back to him, Terranova with the puck, passes it right back as Gugino was right in front, and a shot from the side with virtually no angle. And Brendan DeFeo, the Vermont commit, makes it 2-1. DeFeo scores, and he had a sliver to shoot at, making it 2-1. Brendan DeFeo. Vates works it into the corner. The big man. Puck is stripped away. Dabrowski comes away with it. Dabrowski finds himself in some open space, and Cohen right on the doorstep. A lot of work to get a shot off. Puck is stolen. And looking for a give and go, trying to jam it on this side of Chapkus's cage. Chapkus. Terranova and DeFoya. Terranova keeps it in play. Terranova's got McCaffrey and batted at. Second chance up and over. And looking, Terranova again, he's got DeFeo in tight. Terranova takes the shot. And Dabrowski takes it into the zone, slides it back over to the left-hand side and right through the slot. Play continues with 8:42 to go in this first period. Trying to get a little flow here. Mikulski works it in as he sidesteps one. Mikulski with a shot. He wires it. He's got his second goal of the game. With 8:32 to go, Mikulski shows what speed he's got and a quick snapshot, making it 3-1. Mikulski gets a stick on it and puts it back down into the corner. Buffon from the point. It's fought off by Chapkus. Bolduc has time as the goals go for a line change here. A long pass, Vogel's got it. Vogel centering. Karlstead looking for him. And a backhander, Chapkus makes a save, a couple of saves. And the puck is cleaned out. Was Braden Walters. And over on the far side, Mikulski. Mikulski walks in. Mikulski fakes, takes the shot, looking for the hat trick. Goes up and over. Calling for the puck. Way up high. And it's Woods. Woods has it. Woods takes a shot as he used Chabrier as a screen. And Buffon with it. Tardy hands it off. Woods, backhander save. Chapkus makes another one. And DeFeo will reset as he winds around the cage, and a soft pass up to Gugino. Gugino can't handle the puck. Uncharacteristically, the puck is stolen. Here's a shot. It fought off as it rose up on Leon Chapkus. Karlstead matched up, leaves it there for Woods, the one-timer. What a shot. Takes over. Chabrier running out of real estate. Guides it back down. McCaffrey touches it. DeFeo. Woods forces it back out. And the big man, Chabrier, goes down. DeFeo waiting for the puck. Has it back. How did he thread the needle? Chabrier with the shot. McCaffrey with a backhander, and Hubert with the save. Melnick. Mack, the defenseman, leading the charge. And a good shot there by Kelski's able to escape, send the puck out. Dombrowski with a pass right through center. Puck is picked up by C.J. Watson. Watson gets double teamed. Melnick's got it. Liska's in goal! Shot scores! Liska scores. Melnick gets the assist. What a play! And the Long Island Gulls have a 4-1 lead. What a play as Marco Liska, the Dartmouth commit, gives it up to a goal. Gugino coming in, sniping from his D position. Down the left-hand side. Mikulski with a motor. Takes it into the zone. Drops it there. Walter's shot. Woods up high. Duguay back to Francis. Right in tight and right up above the cage. How did that not go in with an up? Back to Duguay. Far side. Vates with the shot. Loose puck in front. Where is it? It's underneath. Chapkus through the slot. Buffon with the puck. Another shot off of a blade. Loose puck in front, and Chapkus covers. Chapkus holds on. Guides it back in, but Petrusso's back for the goals. Puck is whipped around. Mack holds the line. Tipped right in front. Winding down low. Right in front. Shot, goal, scored. And the defenseman coming in. Gugino comes in and pokes one past Hubert, reestablishing the 3-goal lead as it is 5-2. So the Gulls maintain their number 3 position in the country with a win over Mount, and they win 5-2. I'm Manny Furtado for Clanco Media. Thanks for watching.